Everybody, it's Kate Arato here. Good afternoon here from Islamabad, Pakistan. Mga tropa. From Islamabad, Pakistan. So, for today's video, I'm gonna be taking you to the episode 2 of my Pakistan vlog season 2. Okay, season 2 ang Pakistan. So, I'm gonna be heading to Abbottabad, but first, I'm just gonna say goodbye to my friend, Charas. Magbabay lang ako kay, Shazla. Bago ako umalis. Someone is gonna pick me, a blogger here in Pakistan as well. So, ayun, let's go. Everybody, good afternoon from India, Kate Arato here. So, for today, good ako para ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes. Nandito ka pa din? O, nandito pa din siya, oh. Good. Well, so, ayun. Asan na to si Shadula? Magbabay lang ako kasi tatawag din naman to ng tatawag. Shadula? Da? Shadula? Ah, andun daw. Masusunog ako nito eh. Ha? Hit? Come. It's okay. I come. Huwag niyo ako ginugulo. Palagaan niyo ako. Puntahan nga natin yung isa. Kasi nagsisimangot yan. Ang init, ang init, ang init. Shadula? Kung hanapin ko si Shadula, kala mo talaga ano ako. No? Yung mga tao sa Pakistan, face card lahat, no? Wala kang talo kahit saan ka magpunta. Abbottabad. Bye-bye. Yeah, come back. Kilala na nila ako, mami. Every time I go here, they already know what I will eat, where I will sit. Alam na nila. May pamigay pa rin sila ng juice. Taray ng mga tao naman talaga. May pa-juicening. Good? Kaya si Tokir, matagal ko nang kilala yan. Kung naalala niyo si Tokir. Lumabas yan sa birthday episode ko. Hoy, buying juice.
Anything more?
At this only. Grabe init. Bago umalis. Natutuwa siya sa camera ko. Before big camera, right? Before big. Now, small. Ah, remember, you fix the mic? Now, okay. Dito ako nagpagawa ng mic dati. Kaya ito si Jadun. Ang taray naman ito. Pang mayor naman pa rin outfitan. Assalamualaikum. How are you?
How are you?
Are they with you, all of them?
Yes, they're my friends and they're here for
Nice meeting you, Kay. Hello. Nice meeting you.
Hello.
Hi, how are you? I'm good. Hello.
Hi.
Okay, yeah. Hi, Jadun, oh.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you. Oh, finally. After months of chatting, now we are together. Tagal din namin magka-chat, so now we are finally together. I don't like that. This is how I talk to them. Because they always give me mango, everything. Now, how we are heading now. Hoy, I'm so excited. Let's go. Hoy, we're in the car now. Sorry. Mabilisan yung mga nangyari. They arrived, they picked me up, we put all my bags inside, mga ganyan-ganyan. So, ayun. Hindi ko na nakita si Shadula. I was not able to see Shadula. So, later na lang. Mag-video call naman yun. Pag-iising nun, tumawag na sa akin yun. Nag-chai na. Ay, nag-aaya na mag-chai. Chares. Nadudulas ako sa mga sinasabi ko. Sige na. Okay na. Basta magkita-kita tayo. I'm gonna update you. We're gonna be staying here in Islamabad for a day or two. So, yan. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be doing here before we head to Abbottabad. So, ayun. Hey everybody, we have arrived. So, this is where I'm gonna be staying in Islamabad for a day or two before we head to Abbottabad. Close ko muna yung door. Nahiya kasi ako. Hoy, ito yung room ko sa Islamabad. Oh, tignan mo naman. Oh, the AC is AC. Makakatulog din ako ng masarap, ng malala. Hoy! Mag-room tour ako. Dahil dyan, mag-room tour ako. Room tour everybody. Pero before that, borlog muna. Ang social, tignan nga natin yung banyo. Pang mayaman, di ako alam niyo naman, di ako pang ganito. Paano binubuksan yung ilaw sa banyong to? Ito. Ay! Talaga naman! Tapos yung outfit ko, tignan mo, oh. Kala ko kasi tutuloy na kami sa bundok. Nagulat ako, social naman pala. Hoy, ang social! Tulog ako, untok ako. Sige, magkita-kita tayo sa karugtong na ito. So, I'm gonna see you later this night because Jadun told me na we're gonna go out and have some food outside and, you know, Ayun. So, I think I'm just gonna have a little sleep before that. Okay, everybody, ayun. We have arrived here sa on our location. He did not tell me that he's gonna be doing a shoot in this beautiful property. Look what I'm wearing. I'm so shy. Everybody, look. Oh, they have chandelier. And a big AC here. Oh, ano sa shawl? Hindi ako pang tapos, and then look at me. Nakapaa. Everybody, so, yeah, we almost arrived. So for tonight, I'm gonna get my SIM card and then do something else. I think Jadon will get his trousers, buy something else. So yeah, that's gonna be it. Ang ganda naman ito. Arabic mandi. Mukhang sarap siya na. Ay, kakaloka. Ganito talaga dito. Bank of ang ganda dito. Ano to? Hi everybody. So we have arrived in our this is where I'm gonna be ending our night. So I'm gonna be getting my SIM card and then look for some things. Lakad-lakad lang tayo and then I'll show you a bit of this place. It looks beautiful. Yeah, it looks interesting. Hi everybody, this is not gonna be like a long vlog, ha? It has been a long day now for me. Hoy, see. Ang tali naman itong smoky cauldron. Social naman yan. Ay, may nakikita ako! May nakikita akong milk tea. Pak yan, sure yan. Hoy, may nakikita akong mga pa-milk tea. I'm seeing something I'm gonna like. I know they have lemon. Okay, let's go. For the SIM card first. Yes. Let's go for the SIM card and then we come back here and then chai. Na-excite ako. Oh my God. It's Kay Toretto.
What?
Wait. I'll just show you for it.
Are you from South Korea?
No, I'm from the Philippines. But the name is like this. Kay Toretto.
Kay Toretto. Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you too. Thank you. May nakikita ako. 600 ka. Mahal naman ng passion fruit dito. Uy! Sorry. It's expensive. Why? Hoy! Nag-enjoy ako maglakad. Mukhang mahaba itong bonus script na to. I think this is gonna be like a long bonus script. Because the place looks amazing. Supermarket SIM card. Remember when I first arrived in Pakistan, this was also my challenge. Maghanap ng SIM card. Everybody, it is... I told you, if I see something, I'm gonna buy everything. So I really like this. It's been a while since I had something like this. It's passion fruit here, so we're gonna try it, test it. If it's good, we're always gonna come back here. Okay, let's go. This is the final... Okay lang. Masarap yung mismong passion fruit. The passion fruit itself, it's good. But something is missing, the bubbles. You can add it, but I don't like it because we're gonna have chai. I'm gonna have this while I'm having chai. May mga batang nagtitinda dito, artistahin, no?
The guy is a cinematographer or it's his first
Grabe.
he's captain.
Ganda kami ninyo. Ay, buti nag-ice ako.
लेकिन देख रहे हैं हम
Okay, the chai has arrived. May juice, may chai, may Pepsi. Never say no to chai. It's a bad. Huwag kang mag-no sa chai, oy. Mukha kang British talaga. If you did not tell me you're Pakistani, I will think you're British. Yeah, really. Do you get this often or no?
yeah.
You get this a lot. Yeah. You don't look Pakistani. Hi everybody, so that's gonna be it. This is where I'm gonna be ending this. Itong bonus clip na to, parang naging whole vlog na siya sa totoo lang. So ayun, we're gonna be having a lot of videos coming out on my YouTube and his channel as well. Zakaria, wait, everybody meet Zakaria. I just met him tonight. He's friends with Jadun. I call you Jadun, so it's very easy for them to find your channel.
I like it.
He's doing, you like that?
Yeah.
I like it too. It's easy.
It's easy, yeah.
He's doing calligraphy, so ayun. So link na rin natin yung Instagram.
Yeah.
So ayun everybody, thank you for watching this. I don't know, part 2 of my Pakistan vlog season 2. I hope that you enjoyed it. I can I'll make sure to you that we're gonna have a lot of fun in Judun's place. So we're gonna be in Abbottabad tomorrow, and yun nga, picture natin. Let's try to show as much as we can sa lugar nila. So they're magkapit-bahay, they are neighbors.
Inshallah.
Yeah. Oh, so ayun. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye from Pakistan.